So the question is, how long does it take two professional mechanics to do a 5-minute job? At this point in time, roughly 2 hours. Isn't that interesting? We did find a battery. It's a tight fit, but we now have a nice AGM battery there, rather than that lithium. The electrical system tests good. Don't you know, when we tested it, the taillight wasn't working. We had to take the whole taillight off and touch up the contacts inside. And there are, how many bolts did it take?
9. Count them, 9 bolts.
9 separate bolts to take that off and fix the inside. Yeah, the fun just never stops. All right, so all we have to do now is put the side panel back on. That's going to be another adventure. It has, I don't know, about 8 little bitty screws. We'll do that. And then we'll fire it up, and Kevin's going to do a test drive, and we'll see how it goes. So, so far so good. Well, Kevin is so used to pushing the bike and not having to run. Oh, look, he's got it started. It's going to go vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay, I missed the return. I came in here and he snuck in. Under power, so under power is always good. So, okay, with the idle turned up some.
Yep.
You went up around the full, what we
Yep.
consider
Did our full loop, and where I normally cut through was completely blocked off. So I had to come back around, go back around the hill. So went twice as far as we usually go. She's fine. I think she just, with the idle up, and she just takes a little while to warm up. And you just keep blipping it for a while, and then come to a stop. And she, like here, she idled just fine when I came to a full stop.
Okay.
So no problem.
And all noises seem normal?
I didn't hear any noises. The brakes work fine for what they are. No, again, low first gear. You're out of first gear pretty quick, and no, for a 250, I think she ran fine.
Okay, we're going to call the client.